KICKASSETS. Cha-ching!
Here's the view, whoops, from outside the door of the entire living room, where people can relax, play some games, many games in fact, all kinds of games. Watch some movies, Blu-ray, DVD, even VHS if you want. Who watches that? Oh, and listen to some music. Or just chill. Or read a book. I got it all in here, folks, with the new aircon. Looking good, boys and girls. I love it. Double layer. I put Mario on the bottom and Genghis Khan on top. We have two places to play. Two giant game center here, folks. Yeah. Another one down here. I'll be fixing that up. Well, I finally finished the double layer, the bottom layer this time. Top, bottom. So the bottom layer I got a Super Nintendo, or Super Famicom, Sega, and a normal Nintendo. Woo! Street Fighter 2 here. So we can just change. Oh, I got a Monopoly over here. Yippee-ki-yay, my friends. Oh, that doesn't work. It's always nice when the old cartridges, you have to blow in them, or what I use to clean them is I use a Q-tip. Plus this special point clean stuff I bought. It works well. And then lastly we have Super Mario Brothers over here, folks. Yeah, so a total of 7 systems on 2 monitors. We have 2 Super Nintendos, boom boom, 2 Genesis, boom boom, no Mega Drives, unfortunately. Mega Drive was the Japanese and European version. Genesis was the North American version. A PlayStation up here, and 2 Nintendos. Now, they're not original Nintendos, they're just copycats, but they do play the cartridges. And that has also some emulated games installed as well, which is pointless, but I could just use all my cartridges. Woohoo! So yeah, 7 systems in one. Let's get a reset on that. It's fun. So I hope you enjoyed that. Capcom. Oh. Got my new setup here for first area. PlayStation, Sega Genesis from America, not the Mega Drive, Nintendo, and Super Nintendo. Now we're going to test if it works. Right now we got the PlayStation working. I got half of it hooked up to video ports on the actual TV, but because there were not enough ports, only 3, I had to hook up the other one, so there's 4 splitter. So I can actually hook up 6 different systems to this if I want to. Wow, that's a lot. So, this is a Suikoden, which is a Koi game, which is taking forever to load. It's a PlayStation 1 game. Wow. Suikoden. Basically, control armies and attack other places. It's pretty cool. It's an old Chinese story. Okay. So let's see if it actually works. Okay, let's see what we got on number 3. Yay! Super Nintendo, how you doing? No, that's nuts. So it's Mario Brothers on Nintendo. What am I saying? Mario Brothers on Nintendo. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Ready? Oh! Cool. We got NHL. No, it's Sega Genesis. Sega Genesis, my friends. Sega Genesis. And both controllers work, as you can see. Woohoo! That's awesome. It's in English. NHL 94. Let's see what else we got here. Oh! We got NHL 94 again for Super Nintendo in Japanese. There we are. Yeah. Oh, and there's the Mario Brothers on Nintendo. Awesome. Face off. Montreal Canadiens versus the LA Kings, which was the Stanley Cup Finals, and Montreal took it. Not that I'm a Montreal fan at all, but I really do like Gretzky. And Gretzky didn't get any points on that goal. Oh well. See you later. Got this one set up over here as well. My whatever 50-something inch TV here. Got a PlayStation 4 and a Wii set up here. Isn't that cool? I guess you can switch to the other programs as well. I don't know. See if it actually works. What do we got up here? Oh, we have Minecraft. Cool, for the PlayStation 4. And over there we have NHL 2006.
Sign into PlayStation Network. Button 405.
On my PlayStation 2. We also have a Nintendo 64 in there as well. So, yeah. Two different setups here. Like that. Yeah. Oh, massive. So you play a lot of games here if you want. I'll sum it all up. Just enjoying some hockey here. Got a minute left to play here. Playing with one hand. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna get blown here. A weird camera because of the shadow. You can see I'm winning 12-5. Yippee. Interesting. Game is 12-5. And Muller, it's all in Japanese. Muller had 6 goals and 3 assists, 9 points. Wow. Danfus and Bellows both had 3 goals apiece. Wow. Bellows had 8 points, 5 assists. Wow. That's funny because Bellows scored the first 3 goals and he followed it up with 5 assists. And everybody else. Well, actually, I can change the order here. Never mind. Desjardins got 5 assists and Schneider got 1 assist, but Raw also got an assist, but it's not in there. That's kind of odd. Anyhow, it's all in Japanese. Playing my NHL 94 on the Super Nintendo. Cha-ching. That's awesome, boys. That's awesome. They got it all started for me on Nintendo, folks. Genghis Khan. My first addiction. A koi game named Genghis Khan. How was I supposed to know it was going to be a Japanese game? I had no clue at the time it was a Japanese game. I just found it. I thought it was a very addictive game. And I played it forever. I actually found it at a rental shop. Was it Blockbuster or something? I can't remember. But anyhow, I rented it and I got addicted to it. For the 3 nights I rented it. I ended up buying a copy for $100 on a trip to the States. Because it was a very rare game to find, and it was actually one of the most expensive games. A lot of the koi games at the time that, after research, were more of the expensive. Like Mario's were like, what, 50, 60, 30, 40, 50, 60 bucks, but this was $100. But it was the best purchase I ever made because I played it a lot of times. Many times. I was addicted to it. So, yeah. You basically create a character, you choose your country. England I usually play. There's Japan and Genghis Khan as well. And Mongol, you can play the Mongol quest or the world quest. So if you pick one player, yeah, you can play Genghis Khan, Richard the First, Alexander. It's a Byzantine Empire. And of course, you can play Minamoto no Yorimoto of Japan. So you're 4 people. I used to play England all the time. I used to kick ass at the game. It was a fun game, I tell you. Well, that's what got all started. I mean, while other people were playing Mario, I played this, and what do you know? What do you know it? I'm here in Japan now. Go figure. Yeah. Can I get a picture of that? Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan was actually the hardest team to play. Let's take a peek at the map here. Oh my goodness, that brings back memories. 7's England, 19's Japan. Wow. Wow, what a memory, what a memory. Let me just get a good picture with everything in it if I can. From back in the corner. Here we go. Everything's in the picture, folks, everything. Bingo. Thanks for watching.